Hello everyone, welcome back and welcome new viewers to some more Stormworks Search and Destroy. If you're with us last time, we added a few doors on this thing. We got doors there, and we added a door here in the back, which you can't really see. And we actually worked on our hatch down here, so we can actually open up and drop our bombs. Today I think we're actually going to work on our engines here. It's time to actually see if we can get this thing flying. If it does not fly, then it's kind of pointless, you know. So we're gonna work on our engines today. We're gonna do some jet engines. We're gonna get these things turning, and hopefully we go for a test flight here. So yeah, let's not waste any more time. Before you do, smash a like on this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and yeah, guys, let's get started. Let's jump into workbench. All right, we're in the workbench here. Let's go ahead and put some symmetry mode on here, and I'm pretty sure that we're gonna have to delete this, and I think we're gonna have to delete this as well. Yeah, not all of it though. So we can come in here, we could do this. Let's grab a gearbox. Not sure if we need it yet, but we're gonna go ahead and grab it. That way we do have it on here, and we're just gonna slap that guy right there. Oh no, it is not gonna go there. How are we gonna do this? Let's go back to our pipes. Pipes. I know we're gonna need an angled one here. Let's do that, and then it looks like we're gonna need obviously an angled one here. And then we'll do one there. So now we can actually do our gear. Actually, you know, let's do our straight pieces first. Straight pieces, and then we'll come in here and we'll slap our gearbox. Again, not sure if we need it, but we'll have it in there just in case. All right, now we can fill this all back in. That works out quite nice. All right, so that is our power. We need to get into our wing section here. And we got to figure something out here. So we've got to block this off. We need to block all of this off. Make sure this is all solid. This is all solid. Good to go. Now, how do we get from here? Okay, so let's do our pipes again. We'll go with a straight one here. Come on, let's get out of there. Straight one. How are we doing this? Curve. Do an angle piece here. Yeah, there we go. And then we'll do something like that. And then we can put our fluid port on here. Where are we? There we go. Fluid. There we go. So then we'll put a spawner. Set the spawner. There's a spawner. Go ahead and make you not seawater. We'll go jet fuel. Let's come to the other side. Make sure it is jet fuel as well. Perfect. Good to go. Now we're going to put a meter in here. We need a fluid meter. Where is that? Meter. There we go. Fluid meter. Now we'll know how much we have in each side here. So we've got fuel. We've got power. Now we've got to hook this up. So I'm going to need a PID. Nope. A PID. We'll slap this there. And I think we're going to need a push, a toggle. I'm sure there's other ways to hook this up, but this is how I have learned. So yeah, we're just going to go with that. Hopefully it works. And yeah, if you've got other ways, let me know down in the comments. I'll be happy to try those other ways if they're better. But yeah, let's get this hooked up. We need a button. We need a push button in here. Let's go push. Oh, we have it. Push. Let's just we'll go right here and we'll go starter. There we go. And we'll make all this nice and neat. We'll go back and capitalize all this stuff, make it nice and more crisp looking. But for the sake of getting this stuff hooked up, we're just going to label it real quick. So we've got power to there. We need this to come all the way to here. Then see, this goes to here. Let's see. We don't want to hook our ordnance up to it. We need... Oh no, I don't remember how to do this. I think we need RPS into the process variable, and then we need our throttle into the set point, and then I think these guys go to throttle here and here. I think that's right. And then I'm about to do some changes here. All right, so let's get some numbers in here. I believe this is going to be 0.01, 0.0001, and 0.01. I think this should do it. That should, oop, not 11. This should get us actually turning and going here. We are neutral here though on our props. let's get ourselves, this is our throttle. So this will be our collective. There we go. Let's get some power on these throttles. And what are you guys missing? Electric on the engines. Okay, that would actually help. Let's get you some electric to the fans. All of you get some stuff, and all of you get some stuff. All right, we are still missing something here. What are we missing? What is not hooked up? Ooh, the compressor. The whole point of connecting this stuff up. So we're going to go from here to here and to here. That should be how it works. All right, let's we are gonna need, definitely gonna need a gyro. Let's get a gyro in here, and we'll just we're gonna slap it right there for now. I did get a comment about making these guys smaller. I am gonna do that at some point. We're gonna come in here and we're gonna clean up all our logic, just make a nice little clean, crisp logic section. Reduce some of this stuff down, make some smaller blocks with it. But yeah, I definitely enjoyed that comment, and I am going to make this stuff nice and cleaner, and we'll find a nice little spot for it somewhere in the back, or who knows. We'll get it set up, but let's get this stuff working first. That's the idea, is to get it working first. We want, let's say, where is our controls here? That's look, W and S. That's going to be our roll. Where is our roll? Pitch, roll. A and D is, no, A and D is roll. WS is pitch. Up, down is up, down. That usually goes to our collective. Left, right, it's going to be our yaw. That is not yaw. I just ruined that. This is yaw here. That is pitch. We need WS to pitch. Let's go ahead and we'll say hotkey 1 is gyro for now. Gyro. There we go. Let's get some power. Power on the gyro there. Perfect. Now, I remember at some point we put these things upside down, so we're going to have to figure out which ones are right. Pretty sure that the back guys are right. I do believe it's the ailerons that we're going to have to fix here, so let's go with our pitch. Let's get that hooked up. Nice and nice. Let's grab our yaw somewhere. Where is yaw? Yaw, let's come back here. There is our yaw. All right, so then here's what we need. So when we push D, D's going to give us a +1. We need these guys to go up and those guys to go down. So these guys over here are right. These guys here need to flip. Let's flip these around. So we need positive up on these. Positive up and positive up. Is that right? That is right. Okay, so let's go back to our logic here. This is our roll, where we got roll. We'll do roll here. You know what, we're going to use all of these. Even though these are set up as flaps, we're going to use all of these right now so we can have some serious control surfaces here. Let's grab our power. Boop. 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 Get all that hooked up. Come on. Get all that hooked up. Okay, that's everything hooked up. That should be enough to get us in the air. We should be able to have some control. We should be able to fly a little bit here and hopefully see what's wrong with this. That's what we're going to end up testing, is we're going to see what's wrong with this. All right, so let's spawn this in. All right, guys, here we go. Whoa, what's going on? Why are you bouncing? What is going on there? Why are we? Oh, jeez, it's always something. It's always something. I feel like we just fixed that, and now it's back. Let's see. Let's get up here. Get into the cab. All right, so I just realized this entire time that we've had no game sound. Luckily figured it out now. I tried to crank the engine and I realized it was quite quiet. I thought something was wrong with it, and it was just me. That's a lot better. Let's get this thing cranking. I did not change this. Let's fix this real quick. We're gonna take our main throttle here and we are gonna put it from start value. Let's put it around 20. And I think max value we'll do like 180. I think it starts to explode after that. You guys probably can correct me if I'm wrong, but that's the way I learned it, so that's the way we're gonna do it. We'll do this. We'll do collective. Is that right? I don't know. That's right. So we'll go turn our sensitivity down to about 20 on this, and we'll do the same thing with this one. I'm gonna turn this down just so we're not overly pumping some juice into this thing. All right, so let's try this again. All right, we are good to go here, good to go here, and let's try and get out of here. All right, we have aileron control, we have pitch, and we have yaw. Awesome. And I got to move those inside somewhere, and we're going to need some headsets because this sucker is loud. All right, as soon as this thing gets some speed going, we're going to get out of here. All right, let's give it a little more throttle. I hope this works. I feel like I'm yelling at you guys now. I hope this works. All right. Collective. Oh, we're not gonna have enough speed. We're not gonna have enough speed. Oh, we've already ruined it. That front wheel. What is going on with it? All right, so that happened. Yeah, awesome. All right, let's try and figure out what was going on there. There's something with that front wheel. Why was it so bouncy? I'm not sure. I'd hate to have to go to some fixed wheels on this thing. After doing all this and having to change everything, we're gonna have to go to a fixed wheel. That's gonna be annoying. Not sure what was going on there. It needs to stay down. And we're gonna need this thing to pivot as well, so we can actually turn and get down the runway. Crap. Let's do this. Let's fix this. All right, get rid of that. Get rid of that. Let's go with a pivot. Okay, and we'll do something like that. So let's see. Positive, we'll turn it that way and that way. All right, so that should work. This should give us a little bit more height out of here as well. Let's get this hooked up. We want this to go to our yaw. Where is yaw? Where is yaw? Yaw is here. Give this guy some power. Hopefully this works. What is going on here? Interesting. I think I know what I did here. Let's see if I can fix this real quick. All of this just needs to go up one. So we'll need some more of this. Put a block on top. And let's grab all of this. Right? Are we grabbing all of this? We're trying to grab all of this. All right, we're grabbing all that. Cut it. Move it up one. Paste it. Merge it with that. Another one of these. Perfect. That should have been it. Let's try that. Nice. Why is it so bouncy? Oh man, that's so odd. We didn't have that problem before. All right, let's just see if we can get out of here. Oh, you know what? I hate the noise. Let's put a helmet on this seat just so we can think while we're testing here. All right, let's try this again. Do we have control down here? We do. Okay, so we can turn this. I don't know why we're so bouncy though. Maybe we're just heavy. Maybe somebody knows. Somebody's got to know. Comment down below why my wheel's broken. All right, let's get some speed on this. Let's do 80 this time because 50 was obviously not enough. And let's get out of here. All right, so we've got some problems here. That front wheel is a super big issue here. Man, this is really annoying. I feel like just for the sake of testing, let's see if we can just drop ourselves a little wheel here underneath. Maybe a small one. Can we do a small one? There we go. I hate that that's there for now. It sucks. Let's see if we can... Collective needs to be faster. Whoops. I need an instant check. What? Wait, what happened? Oh, okay. Okay. Because we didn't save it. Like an idiot, we didn't save it. Let's put all this back. 180. We want this to go back down to 20. Come on. Somewhere in there. We'll start this at 20. And our collective, sure, we'll leave it like that because that's good. All right, now let's save this. Try number 3. Why are we exploding all of a sudden? What is going on? Are we just hitting? We're just bouncing too hard? I think that's what's happening. We're just bouncing too hard, which means that our impact sensor is way too sensitive. So let's go maybe 12. Okay, that had some more better bounce to it. Not sure about our wheel there yet, but we'll figure that out. Let's just see if we can get this thing in the air. That's the thing. Just get it in the air. That's all we want. I'm gonna have to put an electric motor, I think, on those turbines just to get those things started up a little quicker. We could probably do that as well. All right, here we go. Come on, in the air. Yes! Yes! There we go, guys. There we go. We have flight. Oh, and it flies so good, too. This is no gyros. Oh, this is great. Oh, this is great. Could I do, like, say, put the wheel up and then close the wheel hatch? Look at that. Oh, that is good. That is so good. We are cruising. Nice. And this is no gyro. Let's get a gyro on. Look at that. Nice and level. All right, gyro off. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Look at this thing. Oh, this is going to be great. When we start getting some guns on this, the first person is good. We could line up. Bah! Yes. Oh, guys, this is awesome. All right, so we did it. Excellent. All right, now we're going to attempt to land it. I'm pretty sure that that's going to be a fail. So, but we're at least going to try it for you guys. Let's get down. Throttle down a little bit. I don't know what our stalling point is on this plane, but we'll find out soon enough, I'm guessing. But obviously we're going to need to hook up some gauges, some buttons, some bits and bobs, and that way we know what's going on with our engines here. We know what speed we're doing. We know what altitude we're going, what direction we're headed. Lots of things to do there, but my goal today was to get this thing flying, and we did it. Let's... Dude, this thing is so stable. This thing is so stable. I'm so excited this thing actually works. Coming in for a landing. Look at that. Look at this. We are down. We have no brakes. We have no brakes. But we would have, you know what, we could do a reverse collective to get us to go backwards. That could be a thing that we do to actually slow us down on the runway. Oh, we didn't roll over the edge. Awesome, guys, we landed it. Dude, I'm so excited. Guys, we're gonna end it there because it works. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you guys 100%. Throw a like on this video because awesome, we did flying and we need algorithms. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and guys, we will see you soon in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.